What's up, kings and queen? It's your girl Stacy, and I'm back today with another video. So a couple weeks ago I had made some shrimp and grits. Now I had put my own spin on it. I made jerk shrimp and grits, and I've been getting several requests to show you guys how I make this dish. So I'm back today showing you how I put my twist to it. Guys, if you're interested in seeing this video, stay tuned. Alright, so I have my shrimp here clean and ready to go. As you can see, I took off the shell off the bottom part, alright? And I clean the, the little nasty thing that runs, you know what I mean. I clean all that, but I did leave the head on. Me personally, I like the head. If you don't like the head, go ahead and take it off. But if you want to try it my way, try it my way. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put some seasoning on my shrimp. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. I'm going to be adding some powder garlic. Onion, garlic, black pepper, and I'm also going to be adding a half a tablespoon of garlic. All right. Then I'm going to add a half a tablespoon, or you know what, a tablespoon, not a half, a tablespoon of Jamaican jerk season, Jamaican jerk season. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my onions, my tomato, and my sweet pepper. All right, so let's go ahead. I got my big spoon and we're gonna mix this up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add about another half a tablespoon of the jerk sauce, all right? Another half a tablespoon of jerk sauce. Mix it around. Make sure all the seasoning combine together. Guys, you should smell what I'm smelling. All right, so I'm gonna get my pot. I'm gonna put it on medium heat, and then we're gonna start cooking. All right, guys, now my pot is hot and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil into my pot. Not too much. Okay. While my oil is getting hot, I'm gonna bring over my plate and I'm going to go ahead and add all this deliciousness to the pot. All right, I'm gonna add everything. Guys, you should smell the jerk seasoning, the garlic. It just smells amazing. All right, I'm gonna just leave that for it to do its thing for a minute. gonna go ahead and cover my pot for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, so my pot has been sizzling for about 2-3 minutes. Let's open it and see what's going on. All that steam. Lord of mercy. Alright, so the same pot that I use, or the same plate that I used to season my shrimp in, I added about 1 cup of water, and I'm going to be adding that to my pot now. Alright, that should be good. I'm going to go ahead now and cover my pot and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. Then I come back. Alright guys, so I'm back checking on my jerk shrimp. It is all done. I'm going to go ahead now and take it off the fire and put it to the side so I can start making my grits. Alright, so I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be making my grits. I have my pot on medium heat, and I'm going to be adding 2 cups of milk. Now, you could use milk, you could use chicken broth, you could use water. It's totally your option. So I just added 2 cups. I'm gonna go ahead and add another 2 cups. I choose to use milk because that's how I like it. All right, inside my milk, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. I'm gonna go ahead now and cover my pot and let my milk get hot before I add my grits. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, now my milk is hot. I'm going to be adding about 2 cups of grits. So this right here is a 1/2 cup. One cup. 2 cups. All right. Then I'm gonna take my whisk and I'm gonna whisk this around. All right, so we want to continue mixing this. All right, we don't want to leave this and go sit down. Make sure that your stove is on medium low or low, not on high, right? Go ahead and continue. Let me make it a little bit closer. So I'm making creamy, cheesy grits, okay? Make sure, again, your stove is on low. You see how it's getting thick? That's exactly what you want to see. Now, if your grits get too thick, you could add some milk in it. All right, and grits don't take long to cook. The one that I purchased was the 5 minutes. All right, so right now my grits is getting thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more milk just to loosen it up. I want to loosen it up just a bit. No, I don't want thick grits. You could either add some milk or water. I'm gonna stick with just adding the milk, okay? I'm gonna be adding some more milk in there. Because I don't want my grits to be too thick. Okay, so my grits is at the consistency that I want it. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of butter. To be adding about a teaspoon or a little bit more of butter. Let that melt in there, mix all that goodness around. I like mine to be creamy and tasty. At this point, I'm also going to be adding my cheese. The cheese that I have is the Mexican style. That's what I have, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be adding about a cup or less. Yeah, that's about a cup. Cheesy grits going on here. And again, if you start feeling your grits start getting tight, just go ahead and add some milk back to your grits to loosen it up. This is yummy, cheesy. Look at all that cheese. Look at all that cheese. Ooh. Milk flying all over the place. This is at the right thickness that I wanted. So at this point, this is ready because, as I said, the grits that I purchased was the quick 5 minutes grits. All right. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna plate this out and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, before I had plated my food out, I had let it sit on the stove for another 3 minutes. So this is the final look. Guys, I enjoy every moment making this for you guys. If you guys enjoy this as well, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see me cook next. Until next time, bye!